Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Claude AI app on your Windows computer. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So if you want the app or this AI to be installed on your Windows computer or laptop, just go and open any browser, then search for Claude AI like this. And as you can see, here we have it. I'll proceed and open Claude AI. Now, if you are already logged in, you'll have to log out. So I'll head to my account here and then log out first. And here we go. I'm logged out. Once you are logged out, now scroll down. And as you can see, you have download desktop app. If you don't see this, just refresh your page. Then scroll down here, just below the login page, you should see download desktop app. If I click on this, I'll have Claude downloaded straight to my computer. Once it's done, I'll head to this arrow and then choose the file. So I downloaded twice by mistake. I'll click on the first one and this will run the setup. So double click on the setup file and this will commence the installation process. So let's run until it is done. And once done, now you have your Claude installed on your computer. You can now click on get started to log into your account or create your new account. In case you can't see or find the shortcut icon on your desktop, just go to start menu, and from start menu go to the recently added app. You should see Claude here. Just right click on it, then pin it to start or head to more to pin it to taskbar. So if I choose pin to taskbar, now I'll have my Claude added to the taskbar below here. So that's how you can install Claude AI on your Windows computer or laptop. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.